Hello friends, bonjour. Welcome to your YouTube channel French Minds. Today, let's learn about some pronunciation tips of CH in French. In French, CH always has the sound of sh. Sh. In French, the letter combination CH is most commonly pronounced with a soft sh sound. It is similar to the sh in the English word shoe. Let's see some examples of CH has the sound of sh. Chic means stylish. Machine. Cache means temporary memory area. Chef means cook expert. Chalet means small wooden house. Château means palace. Brochure means pamphlet. Parachute. Niche means specialized area. Chauffeur means driver. Chanson means song. Here are some more examples. Chaise means chair. Chanter means to sing. Chapeau means hat. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.